Hi, my name is Florence, co-founder of Chrysalix Technologies. Our mission is to enable the sustainable production of the materials and fuels of a cleaner tomorrow. For 60 euros per ton, we enable companies to turn any kind of woody material into the feedstocks of commodities in the form of low-cost cellulose and high-quality lignin. Our BioFlex solvent process makes use of even the most contaminated types of waste wood, which can't be recycled and are usually landfilled. The EU produces around 70 million tons of waste wood every year, of which only about half is recycled, leaving around 28 million tons of waste wood unrecycled every year. We have identified this market as our beachhead on the feedstock side. There are a range of products that can be obtained from the lignin and the cellulose produced through our process, which will be determined by our license holder. They include fuels, plastics, and other materials. We have decided to initially focus on the producers of biomethane because the market is fast growing and in desperate need for a new and sustainable feedstock. Additionally, there is a large government support available. Since we're enabling the use of waste, our value proposition is a cheaper feedstock. At the same time, we offer a higher feedstock flexibility for the production of bio-derived products that currently use edible biomass. At the same time, we're improving the environmental performance of both the production of the bio-derived products, as well as the disposal of hazardous waste wood. Furthermore, valuable byproducts can be obtained from our process. Our product is a versatile process for the production of bio-derived products from woody materials. An inexpensive and recyclable liquid salt separates the lignin from the cellulose while dissolving any metal salts present in the wood. The metals can be recovered through electroplating and passed on to metal refiners. The process generates a profit of around 175 euros per ton of wood that is processed, which include the revenues from the product sales, as well as operating and capital costs. The climate benefits from our process are large CO2 savings versus regular gas and electricity. By converting 50% of the currently non-recycled wood of the EU, we're decarbonizing the equivalent of almost 800,000 EU households. At the same time, we're offering the use of a sustainable non-food feedstock while diverting wood waste from landfill and incineration. There are no direct emissions from our process, and additionally, this will result in the formation of around 5,000 jobs across Europe. The competitive advantage of our process results from its unique performance and the possibility to work with metal-containing feedstocks. We have protected our process with 3 patents, 2 of which cover the general process for the separation of the lignin from the cellulose, while the 3rd patent covers the specific application to metal-containing feedstocks. We envisage a licensing contract which will lock in our customers for 20 years. And since our process is unique in its way of operation, all plants will be specifically built for the BioFlex process and cannot be used for other processes. We're currently a team of 4. Jason is our lead engineer. Aggie has worked for a successful startup in the past and is our CTO, while I'm working on the business and product development. Last but not least, we have John, an experienced and successful startup CEO with over 20 years of experience in the chemicals industry. Our founder's dream is to green the chemicals and waste industries and create large-scale impact from our academic research. We're determined to use our visionary thinking and technical expertise to enable future generations to live sustainably in a clean world.